I'm on the Sabre 45 today, and we're going to do a little joystick docking, just to give you a sense for how to maneuver the boat with the joystick. So we're out away from the dock right now. You can actually leave the marina on joystick if you wish. I'm pushing forward on the joystick to get forward motion and rotating the joystick to turn. This button right here is the DPS, which is going to lock the boat in one spot as if it were at anchor. The motors are going to maneuver the boat to keep it in this position and this orientation, and you can tell what the motors are doing here on the screen. The propellers are doing, and we can now go out on deck and arrange all the fenders and the lines as we're preparing to dock. Now we're going to go off of DPS and we're going to go into docking mode. And that light will be lit and it's acknowledged that we're in docking mode on the screen there. So in docking mode, we can rotate this stick and it will rotate the boat approximately under your feet. So now we've rotated the boat. Now we can just press forward on the stick and we're going to get some forward motion on the boat. And we can also, while we're pressing forward, we can steer the boat left and right while I'm moving forward. I can also move the boat directly sideways. So if I was to move the joystick completely sideways, it's going to drag the entire boat to the left. And while I'm doing that, I can change the orientation. While the boat's moving left, I can move the bow to the right while the entire boat's moving left. Move the bow to the left while we're dragging the boat to port. If it's a windy day and you're trying to dock, you can use high mode. And what that's going to do is add more thrust to any action that you do here on the joystick. So now we've got more access to power. Whoop. To move the boat from side to side. Okay, we're going to dock the boat using the aft joystick. So first we're going to take station here, press the button on the side. Now I have control of the boat with this joystick.